Today I'm going to be reviewing the Andeman smoke leak detector from Amazon. Not a sponsor, they just sent me to do a quick YouTube review about how the smoke leak detector works. So before I open the package, let me explain what it's used for. So you can find leaks in your engine, in your intake, in your exhaust system with the smoke leak detector. A lot of mechanics would be happy to use this to diagnose whether you have a certain problem either in your exhaust system or your engine of your car. Say you have a leak somewhere, you found it and you fixed it. This is a very, very good tool to use. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it on my exhaust system now, which my Mazda 3 obviously has an exhaust leak, and I'm going to show you where it's at. I had to go inside because it's way too windy outside, but basically it comes with your smoke machine. It comes with power cord, smoke outlet hose, cone adapter, valve, core wrench, filling bottle, universal rub hard plug, universal small adapter. So all kinds of adapters. This is so you can connect to your car's battery and do it directly from your car. And it comes with a filling bottle. Now all we got to do is find the proper oil. And the proper oil, if you don't have a smoke filling oil, generic oil, all you got to do is get baby oil. So you're going to fill about 20 milliliters of baby oil or a special testing oil for the smoke machine and add it into the oil fill-in port over here. So I'm not 100% sure if the bottom of this unit gets hot, so I decided not to pull up my other car next to this smoke maker in order to fire it up, because it does work off of a 12-volt battery, and the connections are simply not long enough. So I put my jumper cables on and see, hopefully it works. So it has two modes. It has off mode, air mode, and smoke mode. Let's see what happens when it's in air mode. And for now, we have it set up like this. It's not in the exhaust system. It's definitely working. Any air? I hear something. Here's something. So air mode is working so far. Let's go put it in smoke mode and see what happens. Smoke mode. All right, that's smoke mode. Might have to give it a little bit, but smoke mode should work in just a second. Yes, it's working. I don't know if you can see, but it's producing smoke. You'll have to wait a couple minutes or a minute or two for a real thick smoke to come out. There you have it. Some nice, good, thick smoke is coming out. Let's put it in the exhaust system and see if we find any exhaust leaks. All right, that's in. Let's see if we have any exhaust leaks in our exhaust system. Yes, we do already. As you can see, there's smoke coming out somewhere from the exhaust over here. We already have our first exhaust leak. I knew my Mazda 3 has exhaust leaks everywhere. There you go. You can see that the welds, when I deleted the muffler, wasn't up to par. That's the first part where we got exhaust leaks coming out. So this unit does really do its job. So yes, this unit I totally recommend. It's only about $50 off of Amazon. Link in description. Not a sponsor, but does actually work. Does have smoke coming out. It's working how it's supposed to. All right, whenever you're done, just turn it off and take it out. And then it's recommended that you drain whatever remaining oil you got out of this smoke machine. Okay, so drain it out. You're gonna have to unplug this oil drain, and everything should leak out if there's any left. And there you go. And that's it. And then whenever you're ready, you just fill it up with baby oil again, and you're good to go to make smoke. Not canceled. Alright, I'm Eddie B. 2004
Turn right
This particular package. Driving attempt on the 6 Series.